My dear friends, I'm very happy to take this opportunity to address you, to keep you well informed of a very important organization called the Seed Foundation. What is the full form of Seed Foundation? Social, Economical, Environmental Developing Seed Foundation, SEED. Popularly is called Organically Yours. Organically Yours tells you exactly what they are all about. They want to make sure that the consumers are given organic food. Now this will benefit the consumers, yes, but it will benefit very specially the farming community. The farmers who are very often taken for advantage and are given a minimum price will now get a fair deal because they will be dealing with people who are honest and people who are for the welfare of the poor and the marginalized. This agricultural field has put Sir David into prominence because he's got an award which is Indian Achievers Award. Now that is a feather not only in his cap, but it's a feather in the organization. There are many members in this. It is an ecumenical organization, not confined to any particular religion. It is open to all to be members as well as to be consumers and even the farmers. So you see, it is more to help the people who are in need. The farmers have been taken for a ride for a long time, and so Don Bosco organization has also thought of starting this Don Bosco Agricultural College at Sulcorna. I have been associated with this earlier, but right now it was Father Alvin D'Souza who was the principal of the college. He has been able to get this college started, and when he got into contact with Sir David, they started working in collaboration. As a matter of fact, I was there for their first encounter in Sulcorna when we took 2 buses loads of people there. They were very happy to see the site as well as happy with all that they experienced and all that they learned. Members of this organization get the food practically at their doorstep. But there are also outlets which they have opened. The outlet at Tonka, which is specially led by Miss Samida. And she's got other volunteers also. But there are outlets also now in Margaon. They are going to open one in Porvorim. And maybe many other outlets are going to come for the benefit of the public. I would like to congratulate the Seed Foundation, all the trustees, and all those are going to come forward to volunteer and also to help this organization financially and by being the customers of their products. I congratulate them, yes, but I bless them so that God will help them in this enterprise. Now they are thinking of extending into Karnataka. You know, Karnataka has got a Gulbarga mission. There are very many poor, destitute people. And so the organization, not being able to help them in any other way, though they have got many needs, is starting by giving them the first hand financially. They have got a project, how they are going to do it, they will explain it to you. But right now I am very happy that they are reaching out to the poor and abandoned, especially at this time of the crisis when we had the COVID and now the floods also have come. And that has been a kind of a crisis for the organization because the farmers also have lost a good deal in these floods. May God bless you all. May God inspire you to come forward to help this organization and And I'm sure this seed, literally this seed that has been planted, will grow into a great big tree, helping people who need and also attracting many other beneficiaries and many other people who can cooperate in this noble venture. God bless you.